Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OpenZeppelin to secure your token contract. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your computer. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your project. Navigate into your project directory. Run the command to initialize a new Node.js project. This will create a package.json file in your directory. Next, install the OpenZeppelin contracts library. Use the command to install OpenZeppelin via npm. Once installation is complete, create a new Solidity file in the contracts folder. Name this file according to your token contract. Import the OpenZeppelin contracts that you will need. For an ERC20 token, import the ERC20 and ownable contracts. Define your contract by extending the ERC20 contract. Specify the name and symbol of your token in the constructor. You can also set the initial supply of tokens here. Implement any additional functionalities you require. Remember to call the constructor of the parent contract. Next, ensure your contract is adequately secured. Consider implementing features like pausable or burnable tokens using OpenZeppelin's extensions. Once your contract is ready, compile it using the Solidity compiler. Run the compilation command in your terminal. Make sure there are no errors in the contract. Test your contract using OpenZeppelin's testing framework or another testing tool of your choice. Deploy your contract to a test network. Use a tool like Remix, Truffle, or Hardhat for deployment. After deployment, verify your contract on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. This will provide transparency and build trust with potential users. Finally, review best practices for auditing and securing smart contracts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.